elevator. Okay. Oh no, they're shaking. You're sure it's no danger?
All the boys still think they've got a chance. So low, stone cold signals, and they might have bought it, but I'm still here, so tell me what's your plan? Let's not waste any time, girl. Make up your mind, girl. Tell me the things you never tell. I'm not here for a cheap thrill.
Double tight. No, double tight.
Tell me what's real.
Oh, but
When you say your lips are locked, I know the code. Every secret that you got.
no, I think I need to tight more Jake. Yes.
I'm the confidant you need. When you say your lips are locked, I know the code. I know it. Will you spill your guts if I make a promise? Cross my heart, I swear I'll never tell. You're so back and forth, but you know you want it. So come on, girl, quit lying to yourself. Let's not waste any
Let's just tight everything. Huh? So Lavi, when the screen doesn't work, it doesn't mean it's not recording, no? Because this one's...
No, it's recording. 41 here, brother.
Just try tight more because a little bit shaking still. Yeah. What do you mean kind of strange?
No, it's good. It's good.
No, tell me why. Okay, today we trial.
Triathlon.
No, but how is it called? Trial? Trial? Trial.
Trial.
Yeah.
So, Gata, you ready?
Yes.
You're gonna move like this, super fast.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
No, super fast. Okay, dale.
Tall heels, black dress, breaking hearts, and you know it. But all the boys still think they've got a chance. So low, stone cold signals, and they might have bought it, but I'm still here, so tell me what's your plan? Let's not waste any time, girl. Make up your mind, girl. Tell me the things you never tell. I'm not here for a cheap thrill. I want the real deal. Tell me what's real. When you say your lips are locked, I know the code. Every secret that you got, I wanna know. Girl, you're such a mystery. I'm the confidant you need. When you say your lips are locked, I know the code. I know it. Will you spill your guts if I make a promise? Cross my heart, I swear I'll never
Let's stop on
I'm not confident you need. When you say your lips are locked, but I know the code. I know it.
Good job, gata.
When you say your lips are locked, I know the code. Every secret that you got, I wanna know. You're such a mystery. I'm not confident.
Okay, let's keep going, no? Okay. Dai. Wow, like this is how it looks good. From the camera. Just taking a bit time. Exercise.
Wow, is that hard jingle?
Gonzalez!
Tell me, is Mario or no? Yes?
Come from Cuba, from the communism of Fidel Castro. Venceremos, patria o muerte.
What? What is this? We found it.
Machete from
In the
Cuba, from
ocean.
the communism of
Machete?
Fidel Castro, yes.
You think they brought from Cuba? Let's leave like that? It's danger, no? Or no?
Where to go?
Yes. Wow.
Save the world.
Let's save the world.
Get rid of the communism from Cuba.
Yeah.
Bajanda.
What do you mean behind that?
It's like Gonzalez
Put camera straight.
in a different way. She's always straight.
No, please. Please.
What? Yes. I thought I got caught myself, but I think I'm good. Let's go, animali. Papa. Out. No.
I know. No, it's not. It's like water.
But don't hide it. Nada, this is my time.
When you say your lips are locked, I know the code. Every secret that you got, I wanna know. You're such a mystery. I'm not confident you need. When you say your lips are locked, but I know the code. I know the code. I know the code. You're such a mystery. I'm not confident you need. When you say your lips are locked, but I know the code. I know it.
Okay, God, that's what you do.
Wow. And that little one.
Tall heels, black dress,
Tarzán.
Tarzan!
Tarzán, Dios mío.
Ajá. Say hi to my YouTube channel.
Ay.
Uh-huh. So it's our fancy friend. They have like 100,000 yachts. Can I go?
How are you guys? Of course, let's go.
Let's go, bogas. Go.
Entra.
Gracias.
So, hot Florida days. Great time for a boat ride. We are driving a boat. Dun, 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 dun.
Forgot to put the number 305-515-0488. If you wanna get your boats here and haul
and
over,
we're gonna have the kids.
check it out.
No, this is so. Don't tell nobody.
Right.
Because if you tell your friends,
Yes.
your family, they're gonna like go. They look like 1 minute and say, okay, that's it. And they say, oh, so good, just just to be nice to you. But the YouTube algorithm, they see, they just press and they just stop. So they don't like. The YouTube thing like nobody likes, and YouTube like, oh, your content is bullshit. So it's better not say nothing. So we tell you how our channel is named.
Okay.
Name is our channel is La Rusa en Pau.
¿Quién es la
Rusa
rusa?
en Pau.
La
Who's
Rusa
who?
en Pau.
Who's la rusa?
I'm La Rusa, you Pau.
Okay.
So you search, you go, and if you wanna watch something, you press watch, and if you don't like, just go do your thing, but don't stop, okay?
Okay. Okay.
And follow.
It's a boat office.
No. It's our friends use this like boat office,
It's a
but
boat office. It's a boat.
but
and
this
it's an
doesn't made for
office.
office. It doesn't made for office.
Yeah, he
It's-
made it for office.
Really?
Yes. So you can conduct business.
Ah.
Comprendo?
Okay, so Paula, so
Okay.
this is exactly made for office
Interview.
or no?
Yeah. This is
Oh
our
really?
office.
Or you use like office?
We use it as an office.
Okay, but for the beginning it was made for just.
No, for an
No,
office.
it was made for an
Oh,
office.
really?
Yeah.
Okay, so look.
But you can do all kind of things. You can do you can make a restaurant, make a place to
So look, you have little
I for sale.
fridge.
to sleep. You can make it everything.
Thank you, man.
Oh.
The lady's coming. For sure.
Okay, so
Okay.
super nice. And here you can chill.
1 hour.
And you have a rooftop too.
Party like oh, and rooftop you can take
To the sun
take a sun.
and jump.
Look, it's weird.
I usually jump.
Wow.
Good. Okay. All right. It's the best chef in all this Caribbean.
That's right.
Anna Captain.
Chef Jeff, baby,
And a
and a captain. What's happening, baby? How you doing, my man? You good?
Good.
This is the La Rusa en Pau
Dale,
channel.
La Rusa en Pau, ciao. Follow.
Ciao.
Follow, subscribe.
Vamos.
Okay. Dale. Let's make America great.
Yes, pull. Pull. Stronger. Vale, that's good.
It's good?
Yes,
Enough?
good. Yes. Dale.
Give
Dale, gata.
me.
No, de cámara buena. Yes. No fish, broski. But you know what? I think I'm gonna catch something. I'm gonna catch some beer. Nope. No, God. Of course he.
So this is our spot.
This might be a few parts. That's good. Comprende?
So look, no, I have to go in this. No, no, two coconut and two water. Two smart ones, little ones. Or one big one. Okay, Alex.
You're such a mystery. I'm the confidant you need. When you say your lips are locked, but I know the code. I know it. Tall heels, black dress, breaking hearts, and you know it.
No, I cannot see you anyway. You behind me, you cannot see.
Voice you'll sing.
But behind you, you cannot see anything. You cannot see. You will see. You cannot see. When the camera is here, anything is behind, you cannot see nothing. Don't worry. Sorry.
Signals and they might have bought it, but I'm still here, so tell me what's your plan. Let's not waste any time, girl. Make up your mind, girl. Tell me the things you never tell. I'm not here for a cheap thrill. I want the real deal. Tell me what's real. When you say your lips are locked, I know the code. Every secret that you got, I wanna know. You're such a mystery. I'm the confidant you need. When you say your lips are locked, but I know the code. I know it.
So we going to spa. A spa. So lovely. Look, check this out.
Yeah, right.
You're right,
Over.
baby.
All over.
Hello. Now, yes. Now after all the big ride,
It's time to go for
it's time to go to spa.
welcome. Maybe tonight. Go.
Vamos. They have little store here. Tin. Art. Like technically. Mousy. So she gave us sandals. Sandals. Can you give me my bag?
It's right here.
Oh,
You can take it.
okay. I wanna drink some water. No, we don't believe that. I can't believe it. David, if I'm gonna do all job for this blog, listen to me. If I do everything and then the millions, and when they give me millions, you think I'm gonna share with you if you don't do nothing? Zero.
You really want to film this?
Yes.
Okay.
So you have to help me. Okay, yeah, guys, right now,
Wow.
it's true. who's no working, who's no eat. No work, no food. You know? You know, in Russia we say, кто не работает, тот не ест. You know, it means who doesn't work, he doesn't eat.
Okay.
But he eat.
I work and I eat.
Super nice here. So look. Super nice here. We have sauna. Oh shit, still doesn't work today. It's like that. Dale.